How did you make this decision to actually be an actor when you actually did, fashion designing as a professional course?
I never decided it myself, this all just happened just like that. I was doing my course, my third year, and I had an exchange program, so I was in London. So at that time is when Priyan uncle I call him, he's my dad's close friend. So he called me up saying, okay, know what, I'm doing this movie called Geetanjali, you are the heroine and that, so it's a double role and all that. I was like, what are you even saying? I'm just studying, it's my third year, I have one more year left. It was a 4-year course. So I was like, no, it's okay, you just come back and we'll just work on it. I was like, I kind of didn't understand the kind of trust that he had on me. I was like, what does he even think? What does he even have in his mind,
Yeah.
So then we got back and we just started working on the project. And I entered the industry only because it was him. My dad and mom, both of them, they wanted me to complete my studies and then think about this. And cinema is not something where, my dad just can't produce a movie just for me.
Yeah.
I've asked him, will you produce a movie for me? So he'll be like, I can't take that risk. So, so what they say is it has to come to you. It's not something you go and search for.
Yeah.
So it has to come to you. So, and luckily that happened. And it's only because it was Priyan uncle, he being dad's close friend. So my dad accepted, okay, be it third year, somehow managed to do it. And so, so then that's how it started, and my college supported a lot. So that was one good thing. Make sure that I filter out the best ones out of what I get, and the best ones might probably the ones about which I discuss to them. So once I get to know, I do discuss with them. And at first they used to listen to the stories because I was at college, I used to be busy, and so they used to listen it for me and they used to narrate it to me, my mom.